Hello everyone, this is Dr. Raj Pandya from Edison, New Jersey. I am happy to again reiterate that IBA, our Indian Business Association, in association with Accurate Diagnostic and Agile Urgent Care, is organizing COVID saliva testing on Oak Tree Road, Edison, New Jersey. Right here, where you can see the arrangements, you can see the all the planning has been taking place since last few days. We are all ready to have all our people coming over for the testing. This testing is going to be pretty simple, pretty easy. All the people who will be here will go through the car. They don't have to get out of the car. In car, you can have 1, 2, 3, 4 family members can be in the cars, or even friends can be in the cars. They don't have to get out of the car. They will drive through here in the designated area. They'll remain in the car. They'll be given the equipment and utensil to spit. They spit and they go. So it's going to be pretty easy. But online registration is must. You do online registration, you will be given the date and time. We are starting it on Monday from 18th of May itself, from morning 9 onwards, where all the government officials, mayor, council people, all the assembly people are going to be here to inaugurate this important event, as this will make COVID testing pretty easy, pretty simple, and available for all of us, all our Indian community right here in the backyard of Oak Tree Road. So I encourage everyone to be here. I encourage all to come over and get the maximum benefit of this testing, which people were requesting for a long time. So saliva testing is one of the simplest testing available today in COVID testing, which will be available right here from Monday onwards. Every week, Monday and Thursday, IBA is going to organize this testing in association with Accurate Diagnostics and along with Agile Urgent Care. For your information, Accurate Diagnostics is conducting this testing across New Jersey at many sites successfully. So this is going to be another feather in their cap, and they have agreed to do it for all our Indian community people on Oak Tree Road. Please make the most out of it. I wish all the people, all the viewers of Masala Junction, Gunjesh Bhai and team, very good luck. They are doing fantastic job in this pandemic situation. God bless America, God bless India, God bless Edison. Thank you.
ये एक सबसे बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी है इंडियन बिजनेस एसोसिएशन पब्लिक के लिए ये कर रहे हैं। पूरे अमेरिका में ये सब आज और पूरे वर्ल्ड में जो एक कोरोना वायरस का प्रॉब्लम है, अगर आप उसकी टेस्टिंग कराओगे तो ही मालूम पड़ेगा, तो ही आप अपने आप को और फैमिली को प्रोटेक्ट कर सकोगे। तो इंडियन बिजनेस एसोसिएशन ने ये जो अरेंज किया हुआ है यहाँ एडिसन में, तो आप सबको रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप आइए और अपना टेस्टिंग कराइए और अपने फैमिली की, बच्चों की, अपने फ्रेंड की लाइफ को सेव कीजिए। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Hi, I request each and everybody of resident of New Jersey, New York, Pennsylvania, Connecticut, please register today. Take advantage of COVID-19 saliva test right off Oak Tree Road, the starting point of India Day Parade in Edison, New Jersey. Website address is iba.adlabscovidtest.com. iba.adlabscovidtest.com. Please register today. Thank you.